Today was our first annual college prep workshop series. We partnered with Ozar in trying to bring more awareness about preparing for college, what it takes to be college ready, how to pay for college, and how to research colleges as well.
Having someone explain to you all these new things, we have them here, like one person to tell you what you need to know. And I think that's really important for everyone, students, parents, everyone to understand to benefit their own future.
I think what really makes me the most happy is at the end of the day, if a student comes to us and says, I'm excited about higher education. That's really what we're trying to convey, is that it can be overwhelming, it can be nerve-wracking, it can be stressful. What am I going to do with the rest of my life? But when they embrace those decisions and are excited about the process, then we're excited.
You're investing in their entire future. So 3 hours of your time is really nothing. And so I would really encourage parents to spend the time, to put an effort, being on these type of events.
Start having conversations with your children about why college is possible. Sometimes students, when they're in it, they don't even think beyond what's coming up ahead of them. So really that college is possible.
After watching the presentations and such, I really explored my options that I had, and I'm really starting to think about where I wanted to go and what I have open to me.
I think my favorite part is just giving students the opportunity that I didn't have. Letting them know all the information that I've learned through my journey so that they can make better decisions from day one.